How to create your own preset in Lightroom. First of all, open the Lightroom app on your device and choose a photo you want to edit. Apply all the adjustments you like, such as exposure, contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows, and color grading until the image looks exactly how you want it. Once you are happy with the edits, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, then select Create Preset. Give your preset a unique name, choose a preset group if you want, and make sure the adjustments you want to save are set. Then tap the tick mark at the top right. Your custom preset is now saved and ready to use on any photo. To apply it, simply select another photo, open your presets and tap on the one you created. This makes editing faster and keeps your photo style consistent across all your images. Now you know how to create your own preset in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.